Good afternoon, sir. This is Siddiq from Jagannath Engineering Works. Here you can see our offered items of mentioned 2 number insert. He is my deputy engineer. He is going to inspect that item. Let's see step by step. Those 2 numbers belongs to Super 304 items. Now let's see step by step. Now I'm going to check outer diameter of insert. This is the maximum. Drawing dimension, yeah. You see, as per drawing, maximum outer diameter has been given 57.15. Now let's see in the dimension of the job. This is serial number 1. Here you can see 57.15. That's the raw material outer diameter. இது அப்படியே ஃபோக்கஸ் பண்ணிட்டா ஓடி பிடிச்சிடும். இது அந்த ஃபுல்லாக this is serial number 1. This is serial number 2. Here you can see 57.15. I hope it has been cleared. Yes. Now let's see minimum outer diameter of the job. Here is the minimum outer diameter has been given. Outer diameter is 54. Here you see actual minimum diameter is 54. 54, it's being 0. Okay, let's see another job. This is a serial number 2. $54. So those are in within limit. Okay, let's see maximum internal diameter. Here it has been given maximum internal diameter is 36.8. Tolerance up to it should be 0.25. Maximum diameter. Here we can see the actual. So actual diameter is here 36.9. You can measure it. That is actual. Yeah, okay. 36.9. Here you see the second number of the job. Here you can see 36.98 to 36.9 that you can measure it. Clear. Okay. Now let's see minimum internal diameter. So as per drawing 36.2. Here we see our actual. Here you see the actual internal diameter. You see 36.2. Just come over that. Okay, here it is the second number of the actual. So observed dimension is 36.2. Here it is internal diameter minimum. Okay. Okay. Then let's see the maximum and minimum wall thickness. Here it is the maximum wall thickness. So as per drawing is, it shall be 10.175 to 10.05. This is the minimum wall thickness. Here you can see the actual. Here you see the actual wall thickness is 10.05. Here it is. $10.5,175. Okay, let's see minimum wall thickness. Actual as per drawing. This is serial number 2. I'm going to check the maximum wall thickness. Here is the actual. So 10.345. இந்த ஜாப் அப்படி கவர் பண்ணிடுறேன். This is the actual wall thickness, and again you see $10.5. தெளிவாக தெரியல. Okay. See minimum side of wall thickness. Here it is the as per drawing. It should be 8.9. This is the maximum, and minimum thickness is 8.775. So that is as per drawing. Here you can see the actual. You can see 8.9. Here the same 8.9. Okay, let's see another job. Here you can see the same actual thickness. Here it is observed thickness is 8.9. The same thickness 8.9. Also you can see okay. Okay, now let's see the chamfering area. chamfering has been done as per drawing. Here you can see the as per drawing length is shall be 37.5 degree. So like that taper should be there. Here we can measure the actual. This is the medium wood area. I'm going to lock this screw. Demonstration. So that is here you can see 37.5 to 38 degree that we can measure it. Hope it is cleared. Here we can see up to 38 degree. Okay, it is the second number. That is exact same level that we can measure it. That is 7.5 to 38 degree that we can observe it. Here you see the maximum side. I lock the screw. Okay. This is the second number. Here you can see the same observation. So the taper level can be up to 40 degree. So those are within limit. Okay. Okay. Now let's see the overall length of the job. Here you can see. So observed dimension is 150. So 150. This is actual, and here you can see the drawing dimension. So overall length is 150. Now let's see in the another job. This is serial number 2. Here you can observe the same length. One 150. Okay, let's see outer diameter depths. Now I'm going to see minimum diameter depth. I fix the level of 50 mm. Okay, I fixed the level of 50 mm in the vernier. Tight the screw, because like that only we can measure it. Here you can see the drawing depth is minimum outer diameter depth is 50 mm. Now you can see the actual. So we can easily observe it in the scale reading. So 50. Let's see in the another job. Seal number 1 has been taken. Now you can see the same observation, 50 mm. into 0. Okay, let's see maximum diameter depth. Here it is the drawing depth is 76 has been given. Now I'm going to see the actual. So I fix the 76 mm in the vernier. Here I fixed 76. Okay, you see the actual. See the same observation, 76 mm has been cleared. Vernier reading 76. Okay, let's see in another job. So same as observation, you can see 76. Okay, both have been taken. Now let's see the internal diameter depth. Here it is the drawing dimensions 40. Here I fixed the 40 mm in the vernier. Here I fixed it. So I'm going to see the actual. Top position the internal area 40. And the end okay. This is serial number 2. So same depth you can see. So both have been checked. Okay sir, now I think all times are checked. All times are checked and found everything within limit. Now we have done on the surface, engraving has been done. Here you can see our firm code and work order, due number, material specification and size of the jobs. Here you can see the quantity. Here we engraved 49 out of 50 because already I have got delivered 48 numbers. This is the second final partial 2. Here it is a 49. Here you can see our firm code 30318. work order U8 1818 HT 336 111 378. So it belongs to North Chennai project. Here you can see our due number 001 and 0102. So that is a BOM item number. Here you see the metal specification. So I already told you, it belongs to Super 304 items. So here you can see the size. We have engraved outer diameter and internal diameter. So here you can see the quantity. So I hope it would have been cleared. Now let's see this in the second jobs. So same thing will be there in the jobs. Here you can see our firm code, the same work order, metal specifications, size, and here it is the quantity 50 out of 50. So I think everything is cleared. I hope you would have satisfied with this video. Please do review and please do favor for us. Thank you.